Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can keyframe effects on CapCut mobile. So now you are able to do it, so just select effects here and go to video effects and select any effects that you want, like this blur one. And for instance, you want it to fade out, so you are going to select the effect and you're going to add a keyframe at the end. Then you're going to add one at the beginning and one at the end, and at the end you're going to move the slides to the left. So this adjusts the opacity, so if you want it to fade out, just move it to the left, and you can do it the other way around. And this is the result. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!